What is the customer journey and how can you implement this roadmap into your business to get more engagement, capture more leads, and increase your sales? That's what we're gonna go over in today's video. So if you don't know what the customer journey is, it's simply a way of visualizing how your prospects who have no idea who you are become aware of you, your business, and your brand, and how they transform into subscribers, initial buyers, and hopefully into fans promoting your business for you. And today I'm gonna give you the same roadmap that I learned, adapted, optimized, and used for my businesses and all of my clients generating millions online. But before I do, make sure to subscribe and smash the like button. That being said, let's get on with the video. So what you have to understand is that the customer journey is a roadmap to see where your customer lies, allowing you to take certain actions to make him or her a buyer. After all, the goal is for you to always turn your prospects into buyers. But the methods you're going to use will depend on where your prospects lie on their journey, and that will force you to take different actions. For example, a prospect who has never seen or heard of you will act different than a prospect who already consumes your content. So the sales strategy will be different. You see, you can't just sell your high ticket course to someone who has never heard of you. You must first take them through the customer journey where you will present yourself, you will earn their trust, and later down the line, you will begin to sell your high ticket course. And so there are 8 steps to get your prospects from not knowing you to buyers, and from buyers to promoters. Stage number 1 is customer awareness. This is where your cold audience will first have contact with you. This could be through an ad, YouTube video, or maybe a referral. And so here the question you have to ask your team is, how do potential customers become aware that we exist? What are different ways to generate awareness? The goal is not to sell, but instead make them know who you are. A mistake that I see a lot of marketers doing is running campaigns straight to their funnels, selling their products to a cold audience. And so the question I want to ask you is, would you buy a high ticket product from someone you don't know yet? The answer is probably not. Stage number 2, engagement. This is where your cold audience will begin to turn into a warm audience. And you can do this by getting them to consume your content and engage with you, meaning likes, comments, shares, and so on. This is the difference between someone knowing you and someone engaging with you. And what I used to say back in school is there is a huge difference between being a friend and being a classmate. And this is exactly what we're trying to do here. Your goal is to turn that classmate into your friend. And the best way to do this is by offering value. Show your prospects that you know what you're talking about. Show them that you are the authority. So help them by answering questions, sharing secrets, giving them tips, and maybe sharing your results. Stage number 3 is subscribe. Here, what you want to do is get your engaged potential customers to subscribe. And this could be anything. A few examples are subscribe to a webinar, a YouTube channel, an online event, an email sequence, an email list, a personal blog, a Facebook group, and so on. And the way to get someone to subscribe is by offering them something of value in exchange for their contact information. Us marketers, we like to use lead magnet pages. And some of the exchanges could be ebooks, free subscriptions, free trials, info products, coupons, and honestly, anything that your audience could find valuable enough to give you their contact information. And so let's move on to stage number 4, convert. Converting doesn't necessarily mean getting a buyer, because on this stage, what you're looking for is to get a micro commitment from your subscribers. And there are 2 ways for a subscriber to show a micro commitment. It could be time or money. A way for your subscribers to micro commit to something is by, for example, attending a webinar or an event. The difference between subscribing to a webinar and actually showing up to a webinar is huge. There is infinite more value in someone who watched the whole webinar rather than someone who only subscribed but never showed up. And the second way to get your subscribers to show you a micro commitment is by offering them an extremely low ticket product. As marketers, we like to use tripwire funnels or free product plus shipping funnels for micro commitments. Again, the goal is for your subscribers to have a little taste before fully committing to you. Stage number 5 is excite and deliver. This, in my opinion, is probably the most important stage because it comes right after your subscribers committed time or money. So if you don't do this stage correctly, you could ruin all of your work up until this point. You have your subscribers commit time and money, and so now you have to make them excited and happy about their micro commitment. You have to deliver real value. Us marketers, we have to ask ourselves, are my prospects consuming, using, and happy with their micro commitments? You see, they need value to be able to move on to the next step. And we call this the aha moment. This is that one thing you showed them that made them understand and excited and hopeful. For me, this usually comes in form of a strategy or a tip that could be used in my business. It happens all the time in webinars and sales calls. I'll usually get an idea of, wow, I finally get this. This is something that I could use for my business. This is actually very helpful, and it gives me hope that that one product could actually be the solution I needed. Stage number 6, ascend. This is where you should offer your prospects your main product along with your upsells and downsells. You see, in this stage, you already got your cold audience to know you, engage with you, subscribe to your content, make a micro commitment, see you as the authority, along with being happy and excited. They are ready to buy. From experience, at this stage, they're basically begging you to sell them your product. And honestly, the problem that I see with most marketers is that they skip all the other steps, all of the other stages, and they come straight to stage number 6. And this is why they never make a single sale. The point that I'm trying to make is that if you follow all of the other stages before applying stage number 6, the sale, is you're not going to need some miracle strategy. You're not going to need some miracle secret to make this happen. The only thing you're going to need is a great sales page with a great offer, a good copy, good design, and videos. And don't forget to add your upsells and downsells. This will help you increase the lifetime value of your customers. You know, take the opportunity that your prospects, your buyers are into the buying mindset and sell them more products. Sell them what we call complementary products. Stage number 7, advocate. Don't think that just because you made your sale, you're done, because you have converted your prospects into buyers. But in this stage, you can get your buyers to leave you good reviews, and you can get them to give you testimonials to place on your websites, funnels, and social media. This is great because it gives you even more authority. So don't be afraid to ask for reviews, or better yet, interviews. If you can get a chance to make an interview with someone and place it on your funnels, you will see your conversions increasing exponentially. And finally, stage number 8, the last one, is promoters or affiliates. As the name suggests, you will have people promoting your business for you. The cool thing about this stage is that it closes the loop. People are going to be promoting your business, and it will attract awareness, which again is the first stage. The key here, the main objective here, is to make your buyers successful. If your buyers are successful, they're going to promote your business without even trying. You see, when people ask them, what have you been doing? What are you up to? How are you getting such good results? They're going to have to talk about you and your product. You see, this is the same exact thing that I do for all of my businesses, including a very successful dog delivery business that I launched in Brazil recently. I basically ran a Facebook ads campaign for awareness, and then I turned these viewers into subscribers, and then I offer these subscribers a very affordable dog treat as my tripwire funnel. And then later on, I upsold them into a monthly subscription to my healthy dog food. And eventually the owners and the vets, they started seeing some progress, some really good results on the dog's health. And now all of my customers find me through referrals. I don't have to spend any more money on ads. All of the sales that I get basically are organic through vets referrals or my customers referrals. Another great idea for you to implement into your business is an affiliate program. Once they used and liked the product, you can now give them the opportunity to promote your products and earn commissions. This is exactly what we did for Builderall, and today Builderall has generated over $40 million in affiliate commissions. We have helped over 2,000 different affiliates make their first $1,000 online. I know this was a very extensive video, but this is the backbone of every single funnel, every single strategy, and every single business. If you know this, you are one step closer to making more sales. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like this video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.